our screw-in pricking irons. So we have got 9-tooth, a 5-tooth, a 2-tooth, and a 1-tooth in a variety of distances, such as our 5mm, which I have installed here, 5mm 9-tooth. So these screw into our BG standard specs. This is our 180 press and our standard press. Also, what we're going to show you, really useful use case for these screw-in pricking irons would be the hands, 2 hands in use with the kick press. So how do we use these? This is installed here on our 180. We have our plastic anvil to keep the teeth intact. We're also going to show you how to do it on our hand and base tool. So let's take a piece of leather. So setting the line to keep accurate the pricking iron marks or the cuts. Okay. So we have the accessory component here for depth. So this is useful, say for example, if you're not using the creasing mark. I'm going to come down here as a quick demonstration. And I wanted to show you the 9-tooth just so you can see how this works. So easy as that. So coming down again, I'm going to kiss 2 holes. You can do 1 or 2. I'm going to do 2 right in line. There you have it. So no hammer, no mallet needed in the case of using our hand press. You can also use that on our standard BG press. So this is our screw-in base. Same idea here. Using that on a plastic base. Again, easy as that. As I mentioned, we can take this, screw it into our hand press here, or sorry, our kick press, and that way when you're setting, or rather punching, hands free, and you can be quite accurate. So finished product, hand stitched, small credit card pouch. So those are our screw-in pricking irons.